Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to search for tags on Instagram. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to find the perfect hashtags for your posts, ensuring they reach a wider audience and boost your engagement. First, open the Instagram app on your device. You'll see the familiar interface with several icons at the bottom. Click on the Explore icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This is where you can discover new content and trends on Instagram. Once you're on the Explore page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click on the search icon to start your search. Now, type what you're looking for in the search bar. This could be a keyword related to your niche, a popular topic, or even a specific hashtag you want to explore. For example, if you're interested in fashion, you might type fashion or style. After you've entered your keyword, click Enter to see the search results. Instagram will show you a variety of content, including posts, reels, and accounts related to your search term. However, to find specific hashtags, you need to click on the Tags section at the top of the screen. This will display a list of relevant hashtags, along with the number of posts using each one. By exploring these hashtags, you can identify which ones are trending and might be a good fit for your content. Remember, using the right hashtags can significantly increase your post's visibility and engagement. It's also a great way to discover new trends and stay updated on what's popular in your niche. As you browse through the hashtags, take note of the ones that align with your content. You can even click on individual hashtags to see top posts and recent content using those tags. This will give you a better idea of how they're being used and what kind of engagement they're generating. By following these steps, you'll be able to find and utilize the most effective hashtags for your Instagram posts, helping you connect with your audience more effectively and grow your presence on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Instagram experience.